sef go laugh out loud. Because why? Nothing better pass na your health.
Oh, we don't start. Hey, welcome to Na Your Health. This thing why they chop so. You know, say fruits and vegetables, they're very good for your brain. They help you to boost your memory. My name is Dr. Adora, and the matter where they ground today, it concerns ways in which you can boost your memory, make you feel sharp even when you don't be old. You understand? And you know, say on top of this show, I know they ever try. If I try myself, this my memory, they go on booster. Yes, and you know, say I dey work out with this beautiful lady. Not finish the props now. Not be wetin want you teach them today.
I dey counter now, man.
Why you dey counter? Okay, they boost your memory. But they boost am.
Welcome. Yes, so on top of this boosting of memory things, we will still give you some kind of better tips where go help your brain power so that you go there robust. So that when you want shake the shoulder, if you want to you're going to do in a grand style. Know what I'm saying? There are so many things where you want. And the first one, now eat right. But before I walk out, go far, I need to let you know that I am my humble self. Your Nanja half cast. Another one, na counterfeit. Luchi Enobong na be my name. And the show is just a start.
You know, say food where you dey chop and the one where you know they chop, they play crucial role in the enhancement of your memory. Yes, because fresh vegetables and fruits, they are as healthy fats and avoiding sugar and grain and carbohydrates. First, what I say, Dr. What are you talking about? What I'm trying to tell you is that when you are eating fresh fruits, like this grape we get here, we don't want to pack the whole market come. You understand? We just say make we just buy grape, maybe not for the fill us as we dey discuss. But fresh fruits like this, because we dey avoid anything we hey God. Now this thing they confuse me.
So just to say consign.
Hi, God.
Consign.
Thank you. You know, say when person don't dey tire, this thing now food person supposed to chop. But at this point in time, we are discussing fruits to help your brain, to boost your memory. So therefore, things like curry, or they call them broccoli. Yes, I should say you go see them on top of the screen now. Make you know for loss. Cauliflower, and what they call walnuts. Yes, that one where they sell for traffic. You know the one where they talk about. It contains antioxidants. And you know, so we don't tell you on top of this show. Say antioxidants now things where they stop oxidation process where they happen for our body. What in this oxidation process they do for our body? They make us to quick age. So if we chop all these things, we get antioxidants, including fruits and vegetables. It help us to reduce the rate at which we quick age. So therefore, our brain, the power, no go, they dwindle. You know, as person the age, that brain power, I get as they reduce. So you understand what we talk now. All this one, they help to stimulate the production of new brain cells. On top of that one, if you increase your animal-based omega-3 fats, if you increase the amount where they take them, it help you to reduce the consumption of omega-6 fats to balance your omega-3 and omega-6 ratio. If you do this one, it also help your brain power. And then finally, coconut oil. No, not be finally before Luchi talk. Coconut oil. It is very, very good for brain function. A person go ask me, say, how? You get one ogbonge doctor. This doctor, she be correct nutritionist. And she talks, say, if you use over 2 tablespoonfuls of coconut oil, that's now about 35 mils or 7 level teaspoons, yes, it will supply you with 20 grams of one thing where they call medium chain triglycerides. And this one, then don't see, say by himself, in the fight as soldier, to make sure, say, any disease where they affect your brain, nothing come near you. So you don't hear them now. In case you don't get coconut oil for house, please go and find it right now as I talk to you. No, but not go anywhere because the show still continue.
From eating right, the next one, you want here? Hold it, because I'm enjoying this thing I'm eating. I have to eat it light. The next one, I exercise. After so, not go say go do exercise.
Not finish it.
This one should do exercise. Exercise.
Okay, let's do exercise.
Exercise is very, very important. It encourage the brain work at optimum capacity. It has its own good function inside the body. Now they say how will they take work? It go stimulate that. It go first of all give them like catalyst their nerve cells. You will come make the nerve cells, make them they multiply, make them they expand, make them they grow. It will come strengthen the collabo. Hey, what they call them, the interconnection. But we here, for Niger side, and the collabo. And it will come protect them from heavy baking with fish shell on top our well body matter. Now, you know, say when you do exercise, during exercise, your nerve cell, they release one kind of protein. The protein, they call them the neurotrophic factor. One in particular, you will give me permission to read them because they call them the brain-deprived neurotrophic factor. And this one, it they ginger other chemicals where they help to promote the overall well-being of your body. But you know what, according to some people, they say if at all they need to do exercise, we could recommend you do a combination, a collabo of different kind of exercise. From the one with a high intensity means say your heart goes tukum, 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 to the one when about strength, that na perseverance. I mean say you go fit to hold on, that kind of exercise, to stretching, stretching, and even intermittent movement. That means say for once in a while you go get up, move around, then stay in one place, then move around, then stay in one place. That kind of exercise, collabo of all of them, that will be the best remedy on top your brain work matter.
Correct. Now don't hear them. Exercise, eating right about now. The next one, stop multitasking. Yes, you way they look me so. Somebody go ask me, say, Dr. Dora, it's not quarrel. Which one is multitasking? Multitasking now when they do 101 things all at the same time. And you know, say we men, now we be the culprits for this one because we sabi multitask. Only one woman, she dey also, she dey cook, she dey watch TV, she dey read book, she dey carry baby. Only her, she dey wash clothes. At the same time, that's now like 5 things at the same time. And research don't show, say, if you dey do all this one, in fact, some things go suffer. Because they don't prove, say, it takes about 8 seconds for you to commit a piece of information to your memory. So therefore, if you dey talk for phone, you dey carry load, you can't put down your car key. It is very possible. So you not go even remember where you keep your car key because when you keep them, you dey do other things at the same time. So one of the things where we don't discover, in fact, I say we because now we, in the research, sabi news people, they don't discover say multitasking, it tamper with your brain power. You know they help to boost your memory. So if you want to make your memory dey kajad, say by the time you reach 90 years, 100 years, if they ask you, say, Papa go there, wetin that time when you did this thing, wetin you do as a soldier in the army, you go fit tell them the story well. Yes, you have to make sure that you do one thing at a time. Try and focus. Then some people, because of their nature, they get easily distracted. As they try do one thing, as they try do one thing go just make them go think of another one go enter. So wetin fit help you to control that one, we say, at night before you sleep, you fit take like 10 to 15 minutes to just do some meditation. Just meditate on the important things and you go notice say your memory go dey very catched.
You also need to reduce the way you dey watch television for night. So the television they enter your sleep time. You need to get a good night's sleep. Now you know say right now they say in fact one single night of sleep between 4 to 6 hours, it will impact on the way you dey reason the next day. That means so your level of focus, it will be on point. Your focusing level, it will not be blurry. You don't go do like say, they see where your eye go sharp, your eye go clear, your brain go clear. Bang, bang, bang. Also, you see now this adult, this one they affect. They say, small picking infants, when they sleep in between the time when they learn and the time when they test them, they say that picking go sabi recognize things wella on top of your own body, and that now waiting now because in they give him brain rest. You need to allow yourself to sleep. Even though you wait till they sleep, the brain no dey sleep, you need to give yourself better break so that your brain will gather itself, organize itself against the next day or the next hours of activity coming ahead.
Exactly. Talking about giving your brain rest. You know say you fit play brain games, but if you want to hear the gist on top the matter, please don't go anywhere. Just stand up for your screen because we are going to buy a break. When we come back, we'll give you all the information where you need. Before this, we finish all our props where they here. We shall come back.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. Now your health will return.
Oh yes, and we're back. On top of the very own show, Now Your Health. And today on Nunko, we'll talk about the things, ways where you feel to keep your brain to be tam-tam, okay ma, tam-tam, and even your memory, tam-tam. All of this one now will do give you on top of today's show. If you just a busting the entire level, forget that, you know, twerk, you got to what? Ginger up. We did on top Facebook. Oh. Yes, on top Facebook, you face me, I face you. Follow us bumper to bumper, back to back, feather to feather, and we said we'll do it. We go retaliate in a very generous and nice way. Oh yes, on top of the show, from beginning of the show, we don't give you some of the things. We list them inch by inch. So right now, Dr. Dora is going to carry on from where she feels see up.
Exactly. The way I turn my head like this. It's not a brain game. It's not. I'm just moving my head around. Now, one way where if you boost your memory, boost your sharpness, now to play brain games. You know, say, if you know they challenge your brain with new information, then your brain go begin to sleep. Oh, now why people wey sabi then talk say learning is a continuous process. You understand? Not be something where I don't finish school or you go carry all your book throw away go one side, even though all of us they guilty of this one. Who they read school book? You still they read your school book. No, not throw away. I mean read now. Read school book.
Maybe
school book. We are not forming. So they like to form FICO. Anyway, what we talk be saying? Challenge your brain. Get new information every day at least. Learn something new. It will help to make your brain day on fire, go they spark. Another way you fit do this thing, now to play brain games. Yes, it gets some kind ones where they don't design, where they net if you want play. But one of the ways, that's now why we carry this chess put for you. You know, say, I'm not too sabi play chess. Luchi says she sabi.
Yeah.
So we go do competition after this thing, even though she don't claim, say, so in case.
Oh, now na claim.
Na claim now.
Na claim.
We go decide who the winner be. Yes, not that we cannot play this thing now.
Bet me, I go chop
How much do they bet?
I don't think I will chop on money.
But this is one of the ways where you fit challenge your brain. You know, so some people they don't become master for this thing, but to play chess.
Yes.
Now,
Now,
wow.
mental game. Actually.
Now, mental game.
You go dey
It
think,
help
you go dey
your brain.
tackle. You go also they look your opponent and say,
Yes.
If you like this move, you go take. Okay,
You
if you take this
understand?
move, I'll do this one. If you take this one, I'll do this one.
Yeah, all this one
now.
join you. Then on top of that one,
Bro.
we still get this our puzzle way there. Yeah. In fact, this puzzle now Lekki Ikoyi link bridge. So if you dey last giddy, it go help you well. It go help you to challenge your brain when you put things together. You understand? So all this one now, anything will go make your mind, make you think and find solution. Then be brain games where you feel use to make sure say your memory day very, very cajat.
And she just talked that one now. She just enter the next one, which is we say master a new skill. Now this skill what they talk of, now skill where they meaningful. It gets connection to your brain. When they say master new skill, no one let me say make you go master how to clap. Now skill be that. No, you need to sit down. Think of something where you know say if you want to do them, not be something you go rush to them because anything where require your brain, not be something where you rush to them. Now something where you go sit down, calculate, check all the parameters. Or when you check all the parameters, you go come decide on the next line of action. You know what this thing they do? It's a trigger that be na ginger, some kind of chemicals for inside your body, and it's also counter the effect of stress-related disease. What did I say?
Stress-related disease.
Yeah, good to them. All this kind of thing, if you dey learn am on top na your health, you don't need to go anywhere again.
all.
You no go even need to dey see your doctor as plenty as no, you go dey save your money.
Exactly.
Because na only on top this show we dey let you know say some kind things dey, and we are unleashing the secret only on top na your health. Master new skills.
Master new skills. And as you dey master the new skills, you get another one where they talk. They call them mnemonic devices.
Wow.
Person go ask me now, hey,
Hey.
Dr. Dora, you don't come.
Abi
BB English. Which one is mnemonic devices? It's very easy. We dey do them when we dey secondary school. You know that time, especially we will be medical students. If they can't give you BB name, can't give you like 10, say all of them na, let's say the
Like
muscles.
periodic table.
Periodic table.
Yes.
They do mnemonic this thing for inside periodic table.
No be when you go use like alphabet or code. Yes, periodic table.
Okay.
The first 10, 20 alphabet in periodic table.
Yes.
Hydrogen.
Okay,
Example, like secondary
chemistry.
yes.
Thank you. That kind of thing.
That kind thing.
You can't form your own
Form
to
your own
take
for them.
remember the whole thing.
Nah,
Be
man.
small something.
I don't
And then you get some other acronyms where if you just use, you know, when you put all those kind of things together, understand, you go help you put different alphabets, it go help you to remember. Another one now, visualization. You understand? When you put something in your mind, for example, if you want to remember anything where you see, for example, if you see this kind bottle, it go tell you, say, it belongs to this particular, man, no call anybody name. If you see one kind shape of bottle, you go know, say, now this manufacturers, now ain't get them. Yes, okay. Now. Why you do like say? I say one push and come and say, I make one dodge. I know they come on my body. They say, yes, that's a visualization. Another one that rhymes. Yes. You know those things where they talk, all those things where they call them, hey, what's they call this thing again? Hey. Tongue twisters. Give me one.
Baba bring by bread because by bread bring better blood.
Now, wow. Uncle Francis want to fry something fried fish.
Brother, bring bright bread because bright bread bring better blood.
Abana, go edit this part. Give us one. We have to get it right. Give us one. Peter Piper pick a guinea.
Peter Piper pick a peck of pickle pepper.
Okay, Peter Piper pick a peck of pickle pepper. One. Ndi wazobia. Let's do this.
Oh, yeah. Brother bring back bread because back bread they bring better blood. Something.
Brother bring. Okay, that one is good for pidgin yeah. Now. Brother so, bring bread.
Brother bring better bread because better bread bring better blood.
Okay. Well, we'll continue now. Some kind rhymes. For example, things like brother bring better bread because better bread they bring better blood. Bam. Understand? B.
But then make it this now 2-3 times. Very fast.
Right.
You go to,
let's do it. It's a brain game now. Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
go. Brother bring better bread because better bread they bring better blood. Fast. Brother bring better bread because better bread they bring better blood. Brother bring better bread because better bread they bring better blood. Don't confuse me. I sabi. Oh God, I'm too much. Oh, thank you. Yes. That one now rhymes. You understand? All these ones, all of them now mnemonic devices to help you to stay on top of your game.
See my sister giving us the tongue twister test. It doesn't try intimidate to me, but me myself as I be talk my own the Oyibo pepper.
Correct.
Peter Piper pick a peck of pickle pepper. A peck of pickle pepper, Peter Piper pick. If Peter Piper pick a peck of pickle pepper, how many peck of pickle pepper did Peter Piper pick?
How many did he pick?
Open me just for national television. Hey, you know people try package me.
No. Now the Peter Piper. Now you sabi.
You sabi.
No. I thought the one was sabi. You know, say now secondary school I go.
All right, secondary school 9 Dr. Go. But I beg, no forget say. Now still the things we go help to boost your memory and your brain. We they talk about. Now we they enter the 3 more smart tips for brain power. Now you get something you need to know because one of the first one now vitamin D. Activated vitamin D receptors. They say they increase the nerve growth for inside your brain. And also researchers don't come outside, they don't talk, say, if you fit locate the metabolic pathway for vitamin D for inside hippopotamus and the cerebrum of the brain areas, they say all these ones they involved in the planning, processing of information, and the formation of new memories. This one just means say it is important to get vitamin D. They say if that will not be option, that if you not get a naturally, they say safe standing on bed is the next best alternative, followed by a vitamin D3 supplement. Now you need to get vitamin D3 supplements if you cannot get it the national way because it is very good to boost your brain power.
You know, say this one where I want to talk next. Some people go talk say, Dr. Dora, how? Now fasting, yes, but not be the one way you go kill yourself. Not they talk 40 days or 41 days. Intermittent fasting. For example, inside 1 week, if you just take 1 day to fast, it will help you. How? Instead of burning, you know some people they feel say now glucose they give us power for brain. Now lie you. Now actually ketones when we collect when we break down fats. So therefore, when you fast like that, what thing they happen be say your body go convert from breaking down the sugar, convert them to breaking down fat. And when you break down that fat, ketones are released, and these ketones they help the functioning of your brain. Yes, because a 1-day fast will help you reset your body, and it will help you to reduce your overall calorie consumption. And this one by itself, what they do is say it promotes brain cell growth and connectivity. So all this long story, what it mean? It means that your brain go chap where you are gonna be on a chappy, on a very chappy, and your memory will boost it.
At this point in time,
Yes.
we cannot come and just be unleashing and be giving it to you, be unleashing and be giving it to you. It gets sometimes what we're going to need to do it, we're going to need to keep some information so that we go get more things to talk about. Even if you don't want to talk with us, we say we'll follow one talk with you. We're going to need to buy some more break right about now. When we come back, we still get other things, even though we're just ready to wrap up the show. When you come back.
We dey come back with more informate on top Na Your Health. So, comot your shoe or leave am. Na Your Health don return.
And better bread you want chop now. You not chop grape again. No.
All right, so you're welcome back. And yes, this thing, this fruit, it makes sense. You need to come and join us in the studio. But unfortunately, you cannot come and join us unless you want to Bluetooth yourself from your TV screen and come and meet us inside here. By the time you reach here, we don't come up for inside our studio. All right.
We don't finish them because don't go down.
You go down finish and not be me now.
That's one for us. Why you there? From everybody knows that you won't finish them.
All right, yes, today we'll talk about the different things you fit to do to boost your brain cell, brain power, man power, everything related to your brain, how to even increase them so that you say go dey gallant on top your area of activity. We'll talk about so many things, but now we don't wrap the show small by small. Our Facebook there for you to check your mouth inside. We do on top there, we do on top Twitter, or on Instagram. You can follow us personally, and we will follow you back bumper to bumper. Don't forget to see now only on top of the show, you dey always get lifestyle plus including well body tips only on top of the show.
Correct though. You know say your guts, you know what's in your guts be? That now your belly area. Yes. That your guts fit affect your brain function. So if things no dey well for your belly area, it fit dey affect your brain. Because then talk say, Oyibo man, it talk say your gut health can impair your brain function. So basically, if you know say you dey get any problem with your stomach area and the rest, go see doctor, make them find the cause, cure am quick, make you for sharp before wahala go dey kasala burst for your area. And with these few points of ours, we hope that we have been able to convince you.
And not.
We hope that we have been able to confuse you. Now, joke idea. We hope we have been able to convince you and not confuse you. All the things you need to make sure that your brain is in the right state, so that as you dey age, you go dey chap. Nothing go dey happen to you. It's time to say bye bye, Luchi. Please, this.
You know what? We'll count them. We'll count them.
It's brain exercise.
1,
brain games.
4, 7.
We don't go, but
9, 11.
No, I know they like all this thing where they do. Stop it.
Yeah.
We'll see you.
Should respect yourself.
Next time.
Respect yourself.
Okay.
Respect yourself.